everybody to Iconic Rod and Custom. There's been a lot of activity in the last 4 or 5 months. Let me give you a little update on the Morris Minor. This is going to be Morris Mighty Mouse 9.5. Back in late October, early November, the client that actually owns Mighty Mouse, he has a huge business, but they lost a multi-million-dollar deal, and you know, things were starting to get a little tighter. He was getting worried, so he wanted to put the project on the back burner for now, and I can totally understand it as a business owner, you know, and especially losing that much money. I've never even seen that much money, but I totally understand. So I'm just hoping that everybody that was following that build will continue, because he's bound and determined, once he gets some things straightened back out, that we're going to finish the build here at some point in time. You know, it may not be for a year. I don't know when, but you know, he said definitely he's going to be in touch, and we're going to continue it once things are resolved at his business. So with that being said, in December, I decided I was going to get another facility, another building. And also in December, toward the end of, well, between the holidays, actually between Christmas and New Year, I had to have shoulder surgery. So I've been going to physical therapy for that, and I just recently, you know, got released. I can do full whatever now. And in the meantime, in between, we were getting the new facility ready, painting, you know, and actually we downsized from our old one a little bit. So not quite half, about a third. But you know, we're a little more compacted. But we are starting to build Coupe Simone. If you follow the channel, we started I started talking with the designers over a year ago. Rafi Manazian and Roger Hardnock are the original designers from 1996. So, you know, ultimately we've been back and forth and designing some things, laying some things out. We scanned one of the actual models to get the profile. We put that into CAD, and we made CAD drawings so we can build a wireform buck, or a wooden buck, but we're going to build a wireform buck. So we actually started a chassis last week, the frame rails, and they're almost done. I mean, a little bit of grinding, and we'll have them ready so we can set the cross members, and then we're going to start building the wireform buck for the actual body. That's when it gets really exciting, because the shape will all come, you know, together, and we're probably going to make a couple of minor changes, maybe a couple inches on the height. We'll raise it a little bit just for the cockpit area, you know, for more comfortability and headspace. But overall, this is going to be a magnificent build. It's exciting. We're really excited to really dig in deeper into this once this chassis is bigger, is done. But it's a bigger design. The wheelbase on this thing is 138 inches, and we actually scaled it down 10% over the original Duesenberg Model J long wheelbase. So it'll be a little bit more roadworthy, you know, comfortable driving. It has a huge long nose like the Duesenbergs does anyway. But so that's where we're at anyway with Mighty Mouse, and we're just starting Coupe Simone. So I hope you guys subscribe and follow on this build, especially because this is a fictional story, and this car was actually never built. Early Franklin Mint models were made of it. So yeah, we're editing some video of it now. We're going to continue throughout the whole build, you know, process. We're going to be videoing and showing some clips here and there, and we actually have a production company that's coming in too and filming for a documentary here when it's done. They're going to put everything all together and do a documentary on it. So I hope to see you guys soon. on the Coupe Simone, and forgive me for not getting back sooner, but we've been extremely busy, you know, and with my shoulder and the move and everything. Really had time to do nothing else, but I appreciate you guys hanging on and following me, so we'll see you soon.